And off she goes. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come over towards the ladder, or away from the ladder a bit. There's my girl. You too? Yes, dear. You're doing a really good job. Cammy, you're doing such a good job. You all right? Yeah? You sure? Okay, now you're at the part where you really can't touch the bottom, okay? So, well, you can a little bit. It's a little deeper than you think it is right here, okay? Just be careful.
It's deep now.
Just on this side. Do you want me to throw you? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Your turn? 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Boy! You okay?
Yes.
Okay. Lacey, don't drink the water.
Okay.
Keep it nice. Hey. Keep that mouth closed. No drinking the water. Get out of here. Yeah. If you can get over here, I'll throw you.
Kim, you gonna swim over to mommy?
If you get over here, I'll throw you. One more, you can do it. Ah, okay, you're just gonna hop over. Whoosh. Nice job. Are you a curveball? Are you okay, Kimmy? You okay, Kim?
Yeah.
What do you want? Get out of here.
Wait, I'm hot.
I see.
Along.
Hop along, Kimmy.
I'm tag along.
Tag along.
Kimmy, give me one more good swim, then I'm gonna get in with you. Gonna swim over to mommy? Got spun around.
I'm over here still. Come on.
Yeah.
Why don't you swim? Show me using arms and legs. Good job. That was a good swim. Arr, whoosh. Good job, Cammy.